If you've been searching for a homemade lemon cake with natural lemon flavors and the best crumb texture ever, this is the one, and it is so easy to make. Let's go. Alright, we're going to start by adding our all-purpose flour into a large bowl. Next, we're going to add in some baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Dump that in. Give it a good old whisking. We don't want to have any pockets of baking soda or baking powder in this batter, so go ahead and whisk it really, really well. That looks good. Okay, in this bowl, we're going to add in our granulated sugar and a lot of lemon zest. I'm going to whisk this all around because I want that zest to kind of release those oils. It's going to smell so good. This lemon sugar is going to be the bomb. Take a tea. So make sure you whisk it well. Okay, next we're going to throw in some butter and a little bit of oil. We're going to cream this all together. Not too much, just until you have like a really thick paste, like a nice creamy paste like this right here. Perfect. Okay, so now we can move along to adding our eggs, 2 eggs, and then I'm also going to add in some egg yolks. Yes, I should be doing this separately, one at a time, and mixing between each one, but you know, if it's a shortcut and I can take it, I'm gonna take it, okay? So I dumped them all in at the same time. Just mix it really, really well, scrape down the sides of the bowl, and you'll be good to go. Okay, that looks good. It's all smooth and creamy. Yep, that's what we want. Next, we're gonna add in a whole lot of pure lemon extract and a little bit of vanilla extract. Dump that right on in here, and you can add more lemon extract if you want to, but usually 4 teaspoons is what I use. That's enough for me. We're going to just go ahead and just mix this all together. Next, we're going to add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients, and we're going to alternate with this liquid right here. Where is it at? Right here. That's just equal parts whole milk and lemon juice. It's kind of curdly, but yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to mix this up until it is well combined. So just repeat it. And then once you have all of that flour and that milk lemon juice mixture mixed in, we're going to add in some lemon flavored Greek yogurt. Make sure it's a natural lemon yogurt. We don't want any artificial lemon taste in here. All fresh lemon up in this cake. Okay, mix that yogurt in really, really well. Okay, that looks good. And as you can see, this batter is kind of like a creamish color, and I want it to be like a pale yellow, so I'm going to add in a little bit of natural food coloring. I'm using the Watkins brand, I think, of natural food colorings. Just a few drops would give you a nice pale lemony yellow. Okay, you can add more if you want darker, but this is the shade that I'm going for here. That looks great. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just pour this batter evenly into my prepared pans here. Try to get it as evenly as possible. Once you get all that in the pan, give it a little shake to kind of knock out those air bubbles. And next we're going to bake it 350 for about 30 minutes. When it comes out, let it cool off in the pans for a bit, and then remove them from the pans and let it cool off completely. And now it's time to frost it, and here is our frosting. This frosting right here, y'all, I did a video on this frosting. It's like a whipped lemon frosting. Y'all, it's so good. It's like airy, soft, but yet firm enough to hold up to those cake layers. I love this frosting, so I'll link that video so you can make this frosting. Okay, go ahead and plop it on your cake, and you can decorate it any way you want to. I was gonna make this really cute design for you guys because my sister made a lemon cake and she decorated so pretty. I'll try to find a photo, but it was so pretty, so I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna do that. And I did the first few rows and I was like, nope, not happening, Captain. Okay, we're gonna keep it very, very basic. I put a little bit of lemon zest on top to kind of give it a little bit of color, you know, but you can decorate it any way you want to. Make it really pretty. I think it'll be a great wedding cake because it's so easy to work with. The frosting is just, oh y'all, it's so heavenly and whipped. I love it. But let's just get to all that matters, and that is the taste and the texture. The lemon taste is so fresh. That frosting, y'all, is so good. And the texture, it's like very, very moist and soft and tender and fluffy. It's everything. If you make it, let me know how you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Later.